Trying to train your team on food safety, but nothing seems to stick? Let's fix that, because good training should make your life easier, not harder. Hi, I'm Felicia Loo, your lead instructor and food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. Here's the training framework I teach my clients. Start with short, focused topics, things like hand washing, allergen handling, or temperature checks. Bite-sized learning beats long lectures every time. Next, show them, don't just tell them. Demonstrations make food safety real and practical. Then, have employees practice the task while you observe. This builds confidence and makes sure they truly understand. Don't forget simple visual aids, posters, checklists, labels. These help reinforce training when you're not standing beside them. And most importantly, document everything. Date, topic, names, because training that isn't recorded doesn't count in an audit. At SFPM Consulting, we make training easy with customized lessons, free GMP and HACCP refresher courses, and flexible options for every budget. Register for our upcoming GMP refresher training in April 2026. Details of the event on the description. In a nutshell, effective training is hands-on, repeatable, and practical, and when done right, your team becomes your strongest food safety asset. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.